extreme weather over here. We're looking at the satellite to pick up some, come around the lightning. That's what is going on, is the purple. Well, meanwhile, we can just see it on over here. On that note, the lightning strikes, it's going to be so powerful. There's going to be a lot of lightning in these storms these days in the Great Lakes. It's going to be going to get stronger with the decay over time. But there's other things we need to keep an eye on, and also like the Northeast and also the Gulf, and because the Gulf have the storm prediction center did. We need to keep an eye on the Hurricane Nicholas to get stronger over time, but we don't know it will be a carry one or just we don't know where we're going to take on it over time to tell it what's the difference. Let's just also keep on those storms popping up all the Great Lakes. Here's like maybe on like a Monday at like 9 a.m. by the Gulf, the tropical storm Nana, it will be like around 55 or 56 per hour wind gust. But the wind speed is just a little lower than that. It have a lot of waves in it crashing down. There's like maybe like 94 feet, and 9.4 feet, or 9, or like 80 feet. Well, some are a little bit small waves. And then over time, still it's going to get the same, but it's going to get a little bit stronger, like around 58 per hour, and maybe around 60. We need to keep an eye on where it goes. Each model will take us. It's just how much energy with the model is going to go to. Let's go and see what it is. On the storm will start at around Monday. That's when it got a little bit close to Texas, and it will circle around. Then it's going to get slowly taken by the wind, and as the problem is just going slow, and there will be a lot of flooding going on over time. See how much there's like totally there's going to be a lot. This look like how much rain will it get around 6 hours. There's like 32, 348, and it's gonna be bad over time. How much flooding will it going to get? This is so much rain over time. That's how much it is will it going to gain of it. We don't know will it be a Category 1 or just a tropical depression over time. And we also will still looking about the severe weather. We are still focused on lots of different things. We still don't know about the low pressure like 93 well going to get to a tropical storm to turn into a hurricane and then maybe it will hit somewhere. We don't know. And the main focusing on the there's like two models shows could head a little bit west or to hit well, and also there's another model shows going ahead to like Dizzy Texas and or Noah's Dallas Texas and Leanne's or Mississippi area. We need to keep an eye on all that low pressures going on over time. We need to focus on two low pressures. We'll keep an eye on it. To in case it will be coming hurricane. Let's check about the severe thunderstorms. To keep an eye on it over time. Well, the big one will be on Tuesday. We still don't know if there's a chance for the other ones. And also, the biggest one I'm thinking will be on the 15th or on the 14th. We need to keep an eye on it. There's lots of activity on the northeast because there's lots of things we need to keep an eye on. There's gonna be maybe a good low echo eventually with a lot of damage wind threat. And there's a lot of chance for lots of cave in this system. And there's a lot of energy. On the 15th, we do keep an eye on it because it's really high rocking because it's so hot and moistening an area. And still, we need to keep look out for lots of chance for thunderstorms turn to supercells. Well, there's still a lot of chance for those thunderstorms with lots of things in the way. And there's a lot of cleanup with the Cape Finch energy going on over time. There's lots of things with the K indexes. We need to keep a look out for that. Still there, but start to see imagining going of fueling over time. This is a little bit more longer range. How much K will be on Wednesday will be very high. And it will be on this Thursday also. Then even more third out is there's gonna be less accuracy. But on past Thursday there's a little chance for thunderstorm. And on 22nd there's another round for thunderstorms. There's a lot of ground up with lots of things. And we can see how much there's lots of chance for lightning with these storms. Well, on the 15th, there's a lot of big rounds over time. On the 16th, there's another chance. And on the, lots of chance for thunderstorms in the northeast. And also, there's lots of dew points in the the northeast, there's gonna be very high chance with this increasing K values. And there are lots of interesting with the dew points scenario. And there's really hard to tell much precipitation will be in there, but there's really high chance for these storms will blow up with the increasing with the Cape. And there's other things just like this to show, you know what I mean, what is this is like shows there's when there's really high of these, there's a lot chance for the updraft's going to get stronger with the cool down. There's a chance for severe thunderstorms, where they've been higher of these colors, and that there's more of them are coming our way. Maybe over time will be over. Then who knows what's going on with the Cape? And there's other things with the system, and as these things are going to get stronger with the Cape and thunderstorm in the northeast coast, and it's going to be very high out days. And also, there's depending on there's a lot of chance for these storms to out there to severe or not going on over time. There's a lot of chance for these to explode on to erupt it into severe or not. There's a lot of insane thing about the Cape. It's gonna be very high. Shows on the college due page and other things also. We need to keep an look out for that. For these thunderstorms. I will keep an lookout for that. There's still lots of things we don't know about it. Hopefully there's eventually a way to give you guys the chance to show you about how much chance for the hail to form or not. But there's no way to check. But there's a chance how much cape there is. This is extreme weather out here.